Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Daily Goodie Box. This is a website where you can fill out a profile and join. It's free, and if you're selected you get a box of goodies. They only ask that you review it. You can also follow them on social media, and they do give out boxes as well. So I will have all the information below in the description box. So the first thing I'm pulling out are these ice chips. I've had these before in the peppermint flavor, and they are really awesome. So this is exciting. These are juicy berry flavored. Very cool. What's next, Raylan? You can help. Some tea. This is Turmeric, Ginger, and Cinnamon by Tipson Organic Tea. That's awesome. We love tea. Then we have a little applesauce pouch. They always make sure they put it in like a little baggie in case it ever ruptures, it doesn't get on anything. So this is by North Coast Organic, and it's an applesauce and probiotic and strawberry flavored. Yeah, ooh la la, Raylan said.
Yeah, delicious.
Yeah, it sounds delicious. I know you'll like that.
I'm gonna pick the next thing.
Okay, get ready.
Okay.
This one is a CBD Dry Skin Formula. This is a cream with Borage Oil. I'm not sure if I said that right. But yeah, that's awesome. Definitely use that. I've had some of their other lotions before and they're really good. Then we have, is that toothpaste? Some herbal toothpaste, and this one is spicy cinnamon flavor. That sounds pretty good.
Yeah, I got all for you. Out for you.
It says use less per brushing. 1 tube lasts 3 times longer. That's cool. And all sorts of stuff up here. No colors, no dyes, no parabens, no artificial sweeteners, cruelty-free, vegan, all sorts of good stuff.
Okay, I'm gonna pick the next thing.
Sure, go ahead. What's next? Ooh, we had one of these before, but this is a different flavor. This is banana milk, and it's dairy-free, and this is a chocolate flavor. This was pretty good.
Delicious.
Yeah, you liked that last time we shared it. So that's fun to get a different flavor of that.
Okay, let's pick the last thing.
Okay.
Okay.
This is Mineral Foundation Loose Powder with Natural Botanicals. Ooh, and it says you can do a buildable coverage. Apply with a brush or puff. Very cool. Let's take a look. I need to cut that open. So here's what the container looks like. It just screws off, and then there is a little seal over it that you can lift up to get to the powder. It totally just ripped it off, but there's still a piece here. And it doesn't look like it came with a little puff or anything, but if you have makeup, you do makeup, you should have plenty of those around. Ooh, that's very soft.
Yeah, can I try it?
Sure. Yeah, very soft. I like that.
It's the powder.
Yeah.
Right here.
And then we have, it says Rowdy on it. There's some collagen, Himalayan salt, cinnamon. It says it's Snickerdoodle collagen and prebiotic protein powder. Oh, okay. I was like, what is this?
What is that?
That sounds amazing. I'm definitely going to try that. It's been a while since I've had protein powder. And a lot of times at the end there's a little paper clip, and it gives you some additional information of the products. So here is one for the protein. 50% off code. And then we have, ooh, there's a recipe on the back too. That's awesome. And then we have an advertisement and a promo code for the ice chips. Like I said, I've had those peppermint ones before. Love them. And it looks like they have lemon ones. I love lemon as well, so I bet those are really good.
I like lemons.
Yeah, you like lemons too. Yeah.
I like.
Very cool. So this box had a lot of really good items in it. If you would like to try to win a box, please check out their social media below and create a profile on their website, and hopefully you will get yourself a goodie box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.